All right, I'm going to talk about the vertical line test. And I did talk about this in the last section, as you may remember. And I told you that you also learned this in Algebra 2. But the vertical line test helps us determine whether or not the graph is actually the graph of a function. Okay, and it ties to the definition of a function, and that is that each x value can only be assigned to a single y value. All right, what that looks like graphically is that if you were to take a vertical line and slide it across the entire function, that vertical line would only cross in one spot, because if it crossed in two different spots, then that means it's not actually a function. All right, so I'm going to put an equation up here, or a graph up here, and we're going to use the vertical line test to determine whether or not this actually is a function. I'm sure you can already tell that, yes, this is a function. So what I want you to watch is when I slide this line across, what happens? How many spots does it cross at? And there you see, the entire way, it only crosses in one spot. And that means that that does represent a function. It means you can express it as y equals something. All right, let's try another one. All right, so when I put my vertical line there and I slide it across, is it ever going to cross more than one spot? It never does. It's only one spot all the way through. So that again represents a function. And we'll try one last one right here. Put the vertical line in, and you go across, and then right there you see that the vertical line crosses more than one spot, which means that it is not a function. And that's all there is to it, and that is the end of this video. Adios.